This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bill Calavani. Sajo Farms Craftsman style home with Avalon Floor Plan, one of the most popular open concept floor plan models offered with first floor primary bedroom, with shower and soak tub, and large sunroom just off the family room. 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths in this 2,692 square foot model with a wraparound porch and fenced backyard. In addition, the kitchen has a bump-out dining area for additional space and half bath. Upstairs includes a full bath with shower, tub and 2 bedrooms and large finished room over garage. Condo fees cover all front and side landscaping plus a buffer of natural trees as well to prevent road noise. Dual zoned HVAC with 1 unit replaced in 2018. Tenant occupied until November 2023 but is anticipated to move out by September 2022. For more information, review the details below.